So we will walk through how to get the sheet set up to get a certification sent or a certificate sent with Zapier. So I opened up these other sheets that you have for each of the quizzes, and it looks like you have them set up with like the passing results tab, which is perfect. That's the first step. So yes, this is the formula. Perfect. Okay, and then I was trying to remember what order are these in? Is it epics and then merge requests and then new handbook page?
Yes, that's the
okay,
right order.
That's the order. Okay,
yeah.
Perfect. So what I did was I went here and I clicked new, sheet, and I made this sheet, which is blank right now. So what I will do is, let's see, I'll name this first sheet Pass Epics. And then what I use is this same formula. So I just go here and copy it and pull it over here into cell A1. You'll have to allow access for the sheet. Okay, so it looks like it brought it over. And then I will create another one, pass merge requests. Do the same thing here. Oops. Goodness. Back to the certification one. Again, paste in A1. And yeah, you have to allow access for all of them to connect. And then pass new handbook page. Oops. Paste. Okay, cool. So all of the passing information should be pulling over here. So what we will do next is we'll have a pass all 3 tab, and then, okay, so we'll just start with this, pass all 3. So, and it would be pass all however many number, if you have 4, or like the remote certification is pass, they have to pass 10. So what you do next is, okay, so you'll just like type into these to A1. So we'll do epics first name. And this is like what they would enter here. Oh, this is first and last, okay. First, just put name. And then epics, email address. Maybe this. And then this is pass all 3, and then okay. So all this information is what we need to populate what's on the certificate. So we need their name, their email address, to know where to send it to. We need to know that they passed all 3, and then we need to have the date that they passed. And since the handbook page is the last one that they should take and pass, that's why I'm going to pull that date, because maybe they took the email address one 5 days ago, they took the Epic one 5 days ago, they took the MR one 2 days ago, and then today they took the handbook page one. It'll have the date that they took the handbook page one on the certificate. So what we will do now is, let's see. So we'll do equal, go into the Epics tab and do that. So then it pulls over, and then you'll need to copy this formula down through all the cells. So I just do command copy, and then hold down command and hit the down arrow. Oh no, that's wrong. Sorry. Okay. So command copy, and then hold down command shift and the down arrow, and it'll highlight all the cells in that row, and then keep holding down command and hit V, and it'll paste the formula. You can see that it pasted here. So, and then we need to do that same thing with all these. So equals, we'll go to the Epics tab, email address, enter. So you can see it pulled over your email address, and then command copy shift down, paste it, and then this equals the merge request. So merge request, this, enter. Whoa, what that was. Oops, paste. I always like click onto one of the cells that I think I just copied in, just to make sure that the formula is in there and that it actually did copy, because I have missed it before, like I did the 10 before. And then handbook page. Okay, and then like that one I just missed again. Oh, and I did it wrong anyway, so equals handbook page. Command copy. Okay, so I copied down. And then for pass all three, I normally just open like a sheet I've used before. So I have the GitLab 101 sheet open here on the side. I use this formula. So it uses the email address in cell B2. So if it was on this one, it'd be cell B8. So it uses the email address that's in B2, and it looks for it in cell or column C and D. And then if it does, it'll put true. If it finds the email address in all the columns, it'll put true in column E. If it doesn't, it'll say false. So you can see right. This one's pretty easy because they're all right across from each other. That's not always the case, but so it will be like that. So again, just command copy, command shift down and paste. And you can see it's in all of those. And then this one, oops. And then this one, I will do the same formula that I use for these ones. So I'll just do equals and then go to the new handbook page, timestamp there. And one thing I do with the timestamp is I will just select the column and then do data. No, it's format. Format number, more formats, more date and time formats, and then I change it to the ISO date formatting. So then it is a little bit cleaner on the certificate. Like it doesn't have the exact time they completed it, it just has the date. So we have this one set up, but this doesn't trigger the certificate because with Zapier, to trigger a certificate, you need to have a new row added to a spreadsheet. And when a new row is added to this spreadsheet, it doesn't necessarily mean someone has completed it. So like if I took the Epics knowledge assessment, my name would be added here and my email address, but I haven't done these two yet. So over here, it would say false. So it wouldn't trigger a certificate. So we need to use this other sheet to do what will trigger the certificate. So we'll do pass 201 cert, and then again, I'm probably not gonna remember the formulas ever. So I'm using formulas from a different sheet. So I will paste this in here, and we'll need to change this. So I'll go here, and then once I'm in this Pass All 3 tab, I'll copy the URL. And then I need to double check that this is the same. So we need to know what column true is in. So it's column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so in this, I will change this out with the correct sheet. Yeah, this will need to. Not 100% sure if it's going to work because I might need to go in and actually select that. But this column 5 true is right. So we'll see if this works. It might not. Oh, great. It did. So what this sheet does is it worked because this is the same. This sheet is the same as what it's titled in the 201 sheet. So it worked okay. But if you have like Pass All 4, then this is going to be, this formula won't work. So this sheet should trigger Zapier because it will only pull new rows over to this sheet if this column reads true here. So again, if I only took the epics, mine would say false. So yours would be the only one that was in this sheet until I'd taken the other and it said true in my column, then it'd bring it over here. So this sheet should be set up and ready to go to use for Zapier. You'll just need to make sure to use this specific sheet in the larger spreadsheet for the one that triggers it.